Hi y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. I hope that wherever you are in the world that you and your family are safe and healthy. So let's see if we can put a little happy in today, and I want to create a spring garden. So let me get set up and let's get right to that. We're going to pour, we're going to pull strings, and I hope it's going to be fun. Or I'm going to have fun. I hope you have fun watching. For this spring garden string pull, I'm just going to be using some yarn. My sister was cleaning out a storage building and she found several full rolls of yarn she was going to throw away. So, my good fortune there. So I'm going to be using that. I've got my pieces all pre-cut and ready to go. I have got about 2 ounces of white mixed with Floetrol that I'm going to use as the base. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump this on. The thing is, I don't want this to be too thick, but you don't want it super thin either. So it's finding that just right spot. So I'm going to just smooth this all out. I may have to add just a little more, but I'd rather be a little conservative and add more. Too thin, and when you pull your string, you're going to go down to bare canvas. Too thick, you're going to move too much paint, and it'll distort your flowers. Just going to kind of grab those edges. See if we can level that out a little bit. Got to get the paper towels ready. So I'm going to start with my blue first, and I'm going to be using some kind of long, about this long of string. Not super long, not so long that it's difficult to handle, because you don't want it all flopping around and getting all over your other parts, so you have to kind of, well, unless you got good steady hands, I suppose. I'm not going to saturate the whole entire string because I don't need to. This is going to end up being the tail, or what I have to pull it off with. So I'm going to start right about here. Now this is one of the easiest ways to do flowers. I'm just going to be going back and forth, back and forth until I get to the end of where the paint is on the string. I'm going to pull it, just pull it straight down. or straight down to whatever center point you choose. Ah, perfect. I like when things go the way I want them to. I'm going to grab another string. We're going to do the same thing over here. And just smushing it down in the paint, making sure all the string is coated. You want to have gaps. Okay, I'm going to do the very same thing this way. And we're just going to go back and forth, back and forth. And I'll pull it down towards the first flower. I might get a little bit of shorter string, and we're going to come off over here on the sides and add some pretty pink. Fuchsia. It was called fuchsia, but it looks like hot pink to me. And we're going to add one over here. I'm going to go with a purple. Now, if your flowers overlap in some places, it doesn't really matter. Flowers are going to kind of overlap in the garden. Now I want to come back and try to do just some teeny tiny ones in through here. This, I'm just kind of S-ing it, making a little S shapes down through here, which will give us just a little teeny tiny wisp of some color. Now, you choose whatever colors you would like your garden to be. Come back and do a couple of little blues through here. No, not blue, purple. I was looking at the blue. Awesome. Now you can put as many or as few flowers. Layer. We could come back and layer some. I don't know what color. I guess we could layer some pink on top of those. You could layer in even more. Once it dries, you could come back and paint some green leaves on the bottom. But anyway, that is a simple way to do flowers and make you a little spring flower garden. Just super simple. Some string, and like I said, that I was going to be thrown away. Wasn't even going to the garage sale. It was just going in the trash, so I grabbed it. Just take your paint, again, a fairly thin layer on your background, and then dip your string and zigzag back and forth and create a cool little flower scene. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Look forward to your comments. And again, I hope everyone, wherever you are, you're safe and healthy. Please let me hear from you. I hope you're all doing good. And thank you, subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. So I'll see you all next time.